Hey everyone, it's Kristen Kenny here at the Vivint Demo House, and today I'm excited to show you the all-new Spotlight Pro and explain what makes it a must-have for any smart home. Let's get started. Spotlight Pro is a brand new product from Vivint. It'll intelligently improve the lighting around your home and help deter threats that may be lurking. So the first thing you need to know about this amazing piece of technology is that Spotlight Pro is only compatible with Outdoor Camera Pro Gen 2. It's the only camera advanced enough to power Spotlight Pro. Spotlight Pro can detect people on your property, know where they are, and even follow them with the spotlight so they know they're visible and being monitored. If they stick around too long, Spotlight Pro will emit an escalated lighting feature, like a strobe, to deter any potential thief. Spotlight Pro also works with the Vivint app, where you can customize the deter mode and decide which parts of the light you want to turn on and off. Here's how to do that. Open the Vivint app and go to the Spotlight Pro settings. Here you can choose what Spotlight Pro does when it detects someone on your property and how long to wait until the strobe feature is activated. You can also turn off sections of Spotlight Pro so you don't upset your neighbor, and set your lighting rules so that Spotlight Pro turns on at sunset. Spotlight Pro is the latest innovation from Vivint, and it's available for new and current customers who have the Outdoor Camera Pro Gen 2. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notification so that you know when we upload new content. Bye for now.